Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to transfer money from PayPal to Neteller. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to log into your PayPal account. So go to PayPal website, which is the paypal.com, and log into your account using your PayPal credentials. Now, verify your PayPal account if needed. Ensure that your PayPal account is verified and linked to a valid bank account or credit or debit card. This is important to have the necessary funds available for the transfer. Now link your Neteller account. So in your PayPal account settings, navigate to the Wallet section, look for the option to link a bank account or card, and select the option to link a debit or credit card. Provide the required details of your Neteller account, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. Follow the prompts to link your Neteller account to PayPal. Confirm the link and verify the account, so if needed. So PayPal may require you to confirm the linked account by authorizing a small transaction or entering a verification code. Check your Neteller account or email for any verification instructions and complete the process as required. Now transfer money from PayPal to Neteller. Once your Neteller account is successfully linked and verified, go back to your PayPal account and initiate a transfer. In the Wallet section, look for the option to transfer funds or make a payment. Select your linked Neteller account as the payment method and enter the amount you want to transfer. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Now verify the transfer. So after completing the transfer, check your Neteller account to ensure that the funds have been successfully received. It may take a short time for the transfer to be processed and reflected in your Neteller balance. So, it is important to review the fees and exchange rates associated with transferring funds between PayPal and Neteller. PayPal may charge fees for cross-border transactions or currency conversions, and Neteller may also have its own fees and exchange rates. Consider these factors and evaluate the costs before initiating the transfer. So additionally, ensure that you comply with the terms and conditions of both PayPal and Neteller regarding funds transfers. So some countries or regions may have restrictions or limitations on transferring funds between different payment services. Okay? And that is how you transfer money from PayPal to Neteller. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.